Good morning, everybody. About to get some tacos right now.
Where are we eating?
We're at a poke spot. We're not getting tacos. I was misinformed, and it happens. Maybe I'm just not fully awake yet, or I just missed something.
He's at West Coast time.
Yeah, I really am. This is like really early for me. So, but that's okay. You know, we're gonna acclimate to the time.
You gotta learn, if you're gonna be a world traveler,
That's true.
you don't get acclimated to any time.
Well, I'm throwing myself in the fire, and I just gotta do it when it comes.
What are you gonna get for food?
So I'm getting a Maui Heat Wave signature poke bowl.
What does that entail?
It has spicy salmon, spicy tuna, cucumber salad, carrots, green onions, ginger, serranos, whatever, avocado, spicy mayo, ponzu, and crispy garlic.
Nice.
I read the description, I'm like, how can I not get that?
What are you getting?
Oh, the coconut crusted shrimp hibachi.
That sounds exquisite.
It's an exquisite dish from Exquisite Man.
I'm getting a shrimp bowl. Doesn't sound quite as exquisite when I put it that way. We'll see.
It's not raining cats and dogs anymore, it's just raining cats.
Just cats.
How do we rate this place really quick?
6.8.
5.5.
Oh, okay. So that's an average of about
5.8-ish.
5.8. Yikes.
Got the job done though.
We didn't have breakfast, so
Wait, did I say 6.8? No, the average should be like 6.1.
6.1.
I kind of enjoyed it because I was starving again, but I'm subtracting the hunger points this time.
I wasn't really a fan of the contrast in flavors. It was too extreme for me.
The shrimp was really good. I make better fried rice. I make badass.
Oh wow, it's not raining at all.
Yeah, it's literally
freedom! Welcome back to the greatest pro shop on the planet.
Yes.
US Open champion Chris Vi,
Hello, hello.
gluing in some grips.
Faze dose.
For frequent Twitch chat / Discord user,
What's up, guys?
introduce yourself.
I'm Hanzo. You can tell.
Sick shirt.
You're Tang.
Love to see it.
Squad represent.
What you getting done here today?
I am getting a new phase 2 because my old one, I can tell, it's pretty lane shine and it's pretty old. It's
Like it.
only one ball out of like maybe 2 more I'm gonna get drilled today.
Nice.
Fresh ball strike move.
New ball carry.
New ball carry.
New ball carry. Well, nice.
What's more efficient?
It's a K-dub. And a Pekini.
It's a rapper. It's a rapper.
It's a rapper. No, he's a bowler and a rapper.
He's TikTok famous now.
TikTok famous?
That's what he said. That's what he just said. He called us peasants.
Peasant.
We're peasants.
I didn't refer to you guys. You guys are my pals. Everyone else is a
Pals, peasants, same, starts with the same letter, same thing.
We're the good P word.
Kevin said he's buying us a TikTok house.
TikTok house?
One of those California TikTok
Yeah,
mansions.
the Hype House Bowling Edition.
In California?
No one will fuck
Has to
with.
be in California.
No, it's got to be somewhere cheap like Springfield, Missouri, where I already live.
Oh, jeez, okay.
So LA.
I like it.
Oh, you got to strike on this rack.
You guys shot some videos, right?
You think I can strike on this
Oh
rack?
hell yeah, we should. We only shot one
Hey,
video.
how do you strike on this
won't.
rack?
House Bowling.
Yeah, click the link.
Subscribe. I don't know if there's gonna be a link or something. I'm editing this video, so
Oh,
I
yikes.
gotta figure out how to put the links
I've
in.
struck like twice.
Anyways,
We gotta talk about. I need some editing help.
Or
you
you hit.
text Jesse. That's where I
Or
get
you
all
hit the
my
death
help
text.
from.
Last time I
That's
texted me,
the
didn't
head
answer, and I was like, I'm
Oh,
giving
yeah,
up on him. And
That'd be cool.
and hard and blow a light out. Oh no,
He's a god.
I'm just saying.
Well, so you got some new bowling balls, right?
Did.
All right. What did we get?
I got
Give us the tour.
a new a fresh high road pearl.
Oh, baby. That's sweet.
Hustle.
3T peasy. Mikey you shot 590 with that last year, the double.
Zen?
Zen ball good, you know what they say.
RST,
Oh, bang.
HB intensity,
Honey Badger Intensity.
C4.
C4 boom.
And just the ones that I brought from home.
Nice, nice. Yeah, where did you get these fine products from?
I got them at TV Bowling Supply.
The best pro shop in the world. A lot of people will say otherwise in the comments, but we don't care.
They can think however they want to think.
New balls means more strikes.
What's up? This is one of our #1.
That's me.
I don't even know how to categorize
I always
you.
been like that though.
Twitch, Discord, he's just a #1 community member.
Hell yeah.
He is in the top 1% for sure. Introduce yourself to the people.
What's up, everybody? I'm Savage, aka Homeless Savage, aka Santa Savage.
AKA whatever Derek calls you.
Yeah, Homeless Savage.
Solid.
Hell yeah.
All right. Anything else you want to say to the people?
Bulb Storm?
Product placement. I didn't tell him to say that.
No.
I promise.
Like right now, it's okay. Yeah. But I mean,
We have here, right beside me, my doubles partner for tonight. Omele Savage, aka William Durfee.
You look embarrassed to have him as a partner.
You know, I chose this life.
I would
so.
be too.
I mean, I don't blame him for being embarrassed for being my partner, because, I mean, for obvious reasons. But, you know, we're going to enjoy it
Exactly.
as much as we can. We are.
It's for the experience.
I like it.
This is Santa out here in the flesh. Christmas came early for me.
You should have wore a Santa hat.
Yeah, why didn't you?
I don't have one.
Is there a,
Oh, we gotta get
is
him
there
one.
an arts and crafts store nearby?
Alright, where are we going?
We're going to the Dollar Tree right now, right across the street, because we were told that they carry Santa hats. And we just thought it'd be appropriate, since my doubles partner here tonight is Omele Savage, aka Santa. So,
Why do we call him Santa?
because he's he's the king of gifter of subs on Twitch.
Twitch.tv/Vitamin D Tang.
That's right.
So we're getting a Santa hat, and if we find it, we will purchase it, and he will wear it tonight.
Nice. Tis true, he is the king.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a bit unfortunate they didn't have it in stock, but why does it have to end here? While we're eating our Chipotle, I will be actively shopping online to see where it could possibly be in stock.
One day shipping.
Alright, buddy, what's your name?
I'm Liam Harper.
What did you just do?
I prime sub to you, so I get 10% on that.
Where are we?
We're at Holiday Lanes, Columbus, Ohio. TV Bowling Supply. Come here, shop now. Best guys on the planet.
So you subscribe to Twitch, and you get 10% off, and you get Zen Ball Good.
Zen ball good.
Zen Ball Good.
Zen ball good.
Awesome. We appreciate it.
Alright. So I don't work here. But my man right here that just subbed with the Prime. Twitch Primes. Subscribe. Requested that I drill his ball, so here we are. Order the quarter. Oh, let's go.
No way you're drilling more bowling balls.
It's not for me.
Alright,
I'm drilling a ball for a customer.
I'm just checking.
I don't even work here.
I'm just checking. You be drilling a lot of bowling balls.
Me?
Yeah. What you mean?
I was one
You're
that
kidding, right?
I drill bowling balls for ball videos, that's it.
I was one that drilled 6 yesterday.
Every week you drill the ball.
Oh, on tour?
Just ever.
If you ain't drilling, you ain't trying out there, bro.
I be drilling a lot of balls too, though.
You gotta. You gotta.
Are you satisfied with your care? Oh,
Yes.
God.
The color matches better than I thought it would, so.
Oh, yeah, especially with the yellow grips.
Yeah.
It was recommended.
Your subscriber, 10%.
Yes, I did. Imagine if you put like dark purple in there, or like blue.
Purple might have been okay, or blue.
Green.
Okay, green maybe not so much.
I was expecting you to put like green in.
Nah,
I said surprise view.
All right, cool. Well,
we're about to go bowl. Oh my God. We're about to go bowl this this doubles tournament. I'm bowling with Mikey. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned until tomorrow's vlog because that's when that one is going live. But yeah, check out TV Bowling Supply. If you subscribe on Twitch, you get 10% off. Make sure you hit the sub button here on YouTube. Like it as well, please. It helps us a lot. I'll love you forever. Mikey will love you too, maybe. Probably not, but I could try to convince him. But anyways, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Say bye, everybody.
Peace.